Hello Valorant players, after hearing the collective groans and cheers from the gaming community about persistent key issue, I decided to delve deeper into the virtual trenches. Although I have not personally encountered these challenges, I have scoured the web for your thoughts and experiences. Buckle up because today I bring a playbook of solution crafted by the gaming community themselves. The first, Vanguard refresh. First, let's talk about the dreaded key terms. Many players have voiced their concern, but fear not, I have compiled a list of potential solutions that could turn your gaming fronts upside down. These gems come straight from the players who have battled and conquered the same issue you are facing. So, why don't we kick things off with a player favorite strategy? After sifting through the commands, it seems Vanguard or trusty anti-cheat system might be at the heart of the matter. Let's explore the playbook of solution together. The first thing, as I said, Vanguard. So let's refresh the Vanguard. The first thing first, maybe you will see here the Vanguard tray. I can just right click on it and go uninstall it, but I guess the more easier and best way is this tool. Do your data super is 6.4. You can use any uninstaller, but I like this one. Now first you need to open this. There's a lot of options. We will go into the uninstaller and find here the Vanguard. You can search here for Vanguard, just select it and click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall, so it will uninstall your Vanguard with this pop. This will completely uninstall right Vanguard from your computer. Game that depends on its functionality will stop working. So of course click on yes, and now you can see it's uninstalling. After this, click on the deep clean, so it will remove all the Vanguard folders from your PC, and yeah, it will also remove the registry files if there is, otherwise only the rooted folders. So click on delete and that's it. Now you don't have Vanguard completely. Now the second thing is, after restarting the game, when you launch the right client, it will reinstall your Vanguard. I'll restart after a few more steps. The second step is a fresh start. Now let's talk about the reinstall the game itself. Sometimes a clean slate, uninstall Valorant and consider reinstalling it in a different location. It's like giving your game a new lease on life. A change of scenario can be wondered, but some people have slow internet, so for that I'm gonna show you a method. Before deleting the game, just go into the C drive if you have game in C drive. In my case, I'm using the game in the E drive, and then Riot Games, and just make a backup of your Valorant because it's around 43.1 GB. And if your internet is too slow, or maybe you are using any mobile packages etc something, so in that case it will help you just make a backup of your Valorant and then just delete this folder, right? Or it's better, again you can use any uninstaller tool, like you can go over here, and then what you need to do here, you need to uninstall this Valorant. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll show you. First we are gonna make a backup. Simply I'm going here, copying this Valorant folder and pasting it like here. So it will take only a few seconds, and then we can just uninstall the whole game. So I'm pausing here recording for just finishing this process. Now after making the backup, simply you need to launch here the tools for uninstalling the Valorant. So what we are going to do here, we will select Valorant and right client, these both files, click on uninstall, uninstall. And that's it. Now click on the deep clean. It's important because we are removing everything from registry files to everything. So yeah, click on delete That's it. Now we have zero data related to the Valorant, Vanguard or right client, right? Now the next step is restart the PC. Alright guys, after restarting the PC, now it's time to reinstall the Valorant but in a different location. In my case, I'm not gonna install it in a new destination because I don't face any kind of error like you are facing. But a lot of people are suggesting that install on a new destination is more better, and some people are saying that it's fix the issue. So you can do that, but I'm going here the Valorant and hit enter. Now simply going on the Valorant and watch this video till end because you will understand all the process how actually I'm replacing the Valorant folder in Riot Games without downloading. But the first thing is first we need to install Riot client launcher. It's important, and yeah, you need to download it first. Click on play now and then click on download and download it. I guess I have already downloaded. No, I don't have. So let's wait for downloading the Valorant launcher, or you can say it's installer. Alright, now simply open it, and here's the main thing you need to do. Now first of all, click on the advanced option and you need to select the location where you want to install this game, right? I'm not gonna install it in C drive. I have both SSD. If you install the game in SSD, your game will launch more faster than you expect. C drive is my SSD, and of course the E drive is also. Now I'm installing it in E drive, but in your case you can create a new folder and install the Valorant in it. Simply you need to click here. Now suppose we are installing it in E drive, make a new folder, select that folder and click OK. This is how you can make a new destination for Valorant. Now click on install. At this point it will download almost 233 0 MB, and after this downloading it will start the Valorant download, and the last step is Vanguard. So we are just waiting for this, and after this we will pause the downloading and replace that folder, the Valorant folder, back into the original destination. And that's all you need to do. After that, when you launch the Riot client, it will install Vanguard. So that's the simple process. One more thing you need to do here, just click on this icon and search here for Windows feature. Turn Windows feature on or off. Click on yes. Make sure disable this Hyper-V. I don't know, sometimes when I enable this Hyper-V, then Valorant is not working like properly sometimes, and yeah, there's nothing to do more. Yeah, Windows hypervisor platform, make sure uncheck this option as well. It's important. When you enable this, you will definitely get the WAN 9006 error. Almost our download is finished, so let me show you now what we are gonna do. Now wait for Riot client. Here is our Riot client. Now it's downloading the Valorant. Let me show you. Here is my E drive, Riot Games, and see, now it's downloading. So what we are gonna do here, we will pause our downloading, close this, everything is closed. Now simply I'm going back. Here is my backup file, copy this, and as I said, it's around 43.1 GB, so I don't have enough time to download again. Simply we will replace it over here, and yeah, now just wait for this. Alright, finally it's done. Now simply click on replace the file in the destination, and yeah, that's it. Now what we are gonna do, open the Explorer and then write game location Valorant live. Yeah, we have. Now also delete these two files like this, and from recycle bin as well, or just hold shift and delete everything from here, and that's it. Now simply launch the Riot client. It's important because we will install now Vanguard. Actually it will automatically, only you need to launch the Riot client, it will verify your game and that's it. It will automatically install everything for you. Now first of all we need to log in our account. You can log in any account. That is it. Now simply click on the Valorant and click on update. Now it will update the two files, the Minifest files, which is almost I guess 2-3 MB or less than, and after that it will start downloading the Vanguard. Just need to patient here. That's it guys, it's done. Now simply your game requires a system restart to play. Please restart your computer if this issue continue. So we need to restart for Vanguard again. So I'm pausing here my recording again. Okay, welcome back. Now simply click on Valorant. Yes. And here we go. Now it's working. One more thing, for just might be this will work for you. Click on the Windows icon, go into the settings, and here you will see the gaming option. Just go into it. Make sure turn off game bar, also capture, and try like game modes. For some pupils it's working, and for others it's just making stutter and lag. So try the both option. The last, graphics settings, go into it and reduce latency and improve performance. You will need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect. So enable this one, and now we will import here the game files. Now the destination, Riot Games Valorant live, add here the Valorant 1. Once again go into the same destination, shooter game, binary, Win64 and Valorant Win64 shipping.exe, and the last file, which is not important, or you can say, but you can just add this one as well, the Riot client service. Add these three files. Now click one by one. Option high performance, set it on to your external GPU. Again high performance, save. Again option high performance, save. That's it. Now after doing this you need to restart your PC once again and you can enjoy the game. If you are still facing any issue, just let me know in the comment section. Until then, just take yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.